现在呢，我来到这个 Mirage Hotel 这个地方，等这个 bus 来接我去 Hoover Dam。Yes。哎，这边有个植物园，看起来不错，还有个小酒吧，挺热闹这里边。我现在等这个 bus 马上就来了，这还遇着两个游客从佛罗里达来的。So they're from Florida, Mary and Joe, for Joe's birthday, and we're going to Hoover Dam. Excited? Yeah. 哎，我们的 bus 来了，就是这一辆 My Las Vegas Tours.com, right? Hoover Dam? Maybe? I want a certainty.
Okay.
I want certainty.
Well,
okay.
I am, but what's your name?
YUZEO?
No,
John.
You're not with me. You're not with me.
Is it a Hoover Dam, right?
Okay. There's 3 buses coming.
Oh, that's
And
why.
you're
Probably
not.
not.
And you're not with me.
Not with you.
I think
None of us. Probably the next one. Yeah.
No. That's not.
But you're going to the Grand Canyon.
No, we're going to the Hoover Dam.
The Hoover Dam.
We have
but
3 buses going.
3 buses.
I'm looking for Burton. Yes. What? Come on out here.
All right, I'm waiting for.
It's probably with the next bus.
Okay, thanks.
It'll be a white bus.
Yeah.
It's just like this. Not white.
The lake is 550 miles in shoreline, so 30 feet a year is a lot of water. That's why they're telling us unless we're able to do something, she will be dried up and gone in the next 10 years. Now, it's already too late for us to be doing something soon. There's things we should do. Now, we're going to be in Arizona this afternoon, but if we wanted to get to the Grand Canyon, the closest part is about 2.5 hours. Phoenix, Arizona is about 5.5 hours. So you got a little bit of better understanding of your surroundings and your bearings now. We're going to be getting off here at the...
现在呢是今天 Hoover Dam 这个行程的第一站，叫 Seven Magic。你看这有7个柱子，然后呢后面就是广阔的内华达大沙漠，然后那边呢是一个干湖，是一个干枯的这个湖床，所以可以在上面越野呀，然后跑车什么的。哇，这里真的太美了！看看内华达沙漠的景象。现在用 GoPro 拍一下，看看这个感觉，用它这个广角镜头，感觉比 iPhone 的效果好一些。广阔的内华达大沙漠，太美了。远处好像正在有一帮子火箭爱好者在试车火箭，看到那个烟了没有？
That's the 95 through Search
Boulder City， 还有11公里到胡夫大坝。解说员辛勤地为我们解说。You work so hard. You need drink lots of water. Your throat get drier.
I talk too much, yeah.
Now, the highest population Boulder City has ever seen was almost 17,000. Current population is right around 14,000. This is the town of... All right, good job there, buddy. Cruising faster, Boulder City. Making his own lane. The bottom and less snow at the top.
就是科罗拉多河。
We got this crazy bathtub rain that we're about to see here in front of us where the water used to be.
现在呢，我们过检查站，因为这个湖大坝呢是一个重点，就是会担心有很多一些什么坏人呢袭击什么的，所以我们现在就在过检查。现在我们就来到了这个胡夫大坝的这个入口处，我们在这里会停留半个小时，自由活动时间。我们现在上大坝，现在要爬这段楼梯，然后上那个大坝。 现在我们就到了壮观的胡夫大坝了，看一看美国上世纪30年代建的大坝，是不是很壮观
Here at the Hoover Dam, if you look, there's a checkered pattern in the wall of the dam that are the boxes they stacked on top of each other so they could build it up. Each one of those checkered boxes is about 2.5 feet high.
Checker box, what's that for?
The checkered pattern. Those are the
checker
boxes.
pattern, yeah. So like a block by block, like concrete block.
Yes. Who's going to disprove
这个大
that?
坝呢，理论上还可以再存活1万年，而且呢，
I'm with you. Let's not
可以经得起
take
核
their
爆
word，on that one.
厉害吗？
These statues on our left are called winged figures of the Republic. 1,000 gallons a second.
90,000 gallons a second.
Water was all the way up to that white line in 1983. You could actually reach over and splash it. Coming up here on the left is the state marker.
State marker.
So we're in Nevada right now, but as soon as we cross over this plaque where Marquette's standing at,
Oh, the mark.
we will be in
我们已经进入亚利
Arizona.
桑那了。We're in Arizona now.
So welcome to Arizona. Now Arizona doesn't believe in daylight savings. So 6 months out of the year, time is different, just crossing over that line. That's why there's a clock on each tower. Arizona time and Nevada time.
How deep is the Colorado River? Like here?
The deepest part is almost 400 feet deep.
400 feet.
Almost. When the dam was full, it was close to 500 feet deep.
Wow.
Now, in order to build the dam, they had to divert the river. So they devised 4 diversion tunnels. These tunnels were about a mile long each, 60 feet in diameter.
我们现在来到这个观测点，这个就是科罗拉多河的尽头，叫 Lake Mead。然后呢，这4个 tower 呢是把这个水吸进来，然后呢带动那个 turbine， 就是那个涡轮，然后发电，然后呢水呢就排过去。然后刚才那个桥呢是2010年开始建的。非常壮观。那个桥，刚才我上去那个桥呢，建了7年半，是不是很恐怖啊？太伟大了，这工程。这个科罗拉多河呢，可以说是美国西部的这个母亲河呀，加州啊、内华达州啊。这个就是 Vegas 著名的 Sphere。明天他有售，因为就回温哥华了，所以没买票，在外边看一下吧，是不是很科幻、很外星？你看上面的小婴儿，跟在母胎里一样。
That's